My name is Silvia and I'm the owner of the Salsa with Silvia dance studio. It started with me getting into dance when I was 6 years old, and I never stopped because I loved it so much. I started teaching, and then of course I wanted to have my own studio. So the very first studio that we opened in 2011 was in the basement of our house. We had a professionally equipped studio where people came and took dance classes. It was crazy because we had classes of 25 to 30 people in the basement of my house. I've heard amazing stories from people that it's helped them go through difficult times in their lives, and that's what this is for. Dance really changes people's life. We go around schools and we teach kids how to dance. We perform for them, hoping that they will get into it. It's something that would help kids focus on something very positive. We also participate in different community events. We perform, we teach salsa, and what we started in 2018 is a fully sponsored by us scholarship team for kids. The Salsa with Silvia studio pays for their costumes, it pays for their training. Our recent statistics show that we have on average about 2,500 people walking through the doors every single month. So for a potential sponsor, we see that as a great exposure and a great way to build their own branding. The demographics of the Salsa with Silvia studio range from our families that come here, and of course the young professionals that basically occupy all sorts of positions in the city. So when you sponsor the Salsa with Silvia studio, you're basically investing money into something that helps people, and it helps people in a very positive direction. We have created a successful brand, and most importantly, a successful and growing community.